Turukhan Airlines is an airline based in Krasnoyarsk in Russia. Now, before this video begins, I'm just gonna say a few quick things. 1. This is the first video I'm making about an airline that hasn't ceased operation yet. This airline is very much still operating. Now, the other thing I want to say is that I'm working on the Pan Am video, and this is just a filler so I can get a video out on Sunday, because I'm working on the Pan Am video still. But anyway, established in 1997 as a subsidiary of Yeniseiski Meridian Airlines, it became independent in 2001. It operates regional scheduled and charter service in Siberian Federal District. In 2015, Turukhan Airlines received the fleet of Katagavia, which is what is now known as Azure Air, and that is also how I stumbled across this. In 2017, Turukhan Airlines operated 8,743 flights, and transported 256,835 passengers. The Turukhan Airlines fleet includes the following aircraft as of July 2019: 6 Antonov AN-24RV aircraft, 2 Tupolev Tu-134A aircraft, and 13 Yakolev Yak-42 aircraft, and 15 helicopters of the Mi-9, 8, 17, 9, 19, 171 and 172 variants. Now that is done, I just want to say a few things about the Pan Am video that I'm working about. It is probably going to be around 40 minutes long, which is extremely long, so that's why I'm uploading it in parts, so that if you don't have that much time, you can just watch one part at a time. And the second thing I am going to say is that I'm really working hard on the video, and I would appreciate if you go watch part 1 and maybe part 2 and 3 when it comes out, and I'm probably also gonna make 4 parts of around 10 minutes, so yeah. Thanks for watching. And that's all. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.